Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Tom. And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. Today's episode is very simple, very friendly, very useful. Today, we will practice English with daily questions, easy questions, real questions. These are questions people really ask in daily life, at home, at work, with friends, and don't worry, you don't need perfect English. Simple English is good English. Exactly. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. You're doing great already. Before we start, small request. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. It really helps us. Okay, let's begin. Chat Daily Questions Practice. How to use this episode. First, listen to the question, then pause. Answer out loud. Even one sentence is okay. Then listen again. We'll say sample answers. Let's practice together. Section 1, morning question. First question. Listen carefully. What time do you wake up? Good job for trying. Here are some simple answers. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 7:30. You can also say, I wake up early, or I wake up late. Let's repeat together. I wake up at 6. Nice. Again, I wake up at 6. Next question. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Great question, right? This is a very common daily question. Simple answers. I brush my teeth. I check my phone. I drink water. My answer, the first thing I do is drink water. My answer, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. Your turn again. Say one sentence. Section 2, food and daily habits. Now let's talk about food. What do you eat for breakfast? Simple answers are perfect. I eat eggs. I eat bread. My breakfast is a banana. David, let's say it slowly. My breakfast is a banana. Very good, you're improving already. Next question. Do you drink tea or coffee? Easy answers. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Or I drink tea in the morning. Repeat after me. I drink tea in the morning. Section 3, work and study questions. Now, work and study questions. Very useful. Do you work or study? Possible answers. I work. I study. I work and study. David. My answer, I work. I work online. Great job if you answered. What do you do for work? Simple answers are okay. I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. Let's repeat one. I work in an office. Section 4, daily life questions. Now let's talk about daily life. How do you go to work or school? Answers. I go by bus. I go by train. I walk. My answer, I go by bus. Repeat. I go by bus. Next one. What do you do in the evening? Simple answers. I watch TV. I relax. I talk to my family. My answer, I watch TV in the evening. Section 5, feelings and opinions. Now feelings. Don't worry. Very easy. How do you feel today? I feel good. I feel tired. I feel happy. Repeat. I feel good. Nice. That was clear. Next question. Do you like learning English? Good answers. Yes, I do. Yes, I like learning English. My answer, yes, I like learning English. And guess what? You're doing it right now. Section 6, weekend and free time. Let's talk about free time. What do you do on the weekend? Answers, I relax. I watch movies. I meet friends. My answer, I relax on the weekend. One more. What is your favorite free time activity? David. Simple answers. My favorite activity is walking. My favorite activity is watching videos. Great speaking practice. Lection 7, review pren. Now let's review. Listen and answer quickly. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you work or study? How do you feel today? Excellent. Even if it was hard, you tried. Shopping and money questions. Okay, let's continue. Now we will talk about shopping and money. David, these are very common questions. You hear them every day. First question, listen carefully. Do you like shopping? Good job for answering. Simple answers are fine. Yes, I like shopping. No, I don't like shopping. My answer, yes, I like shopping. Your turn again. Say it slowly. Next question, where do you usually shop? Easy answers. I shop online. I shop at the market. I shop at a mall. Repeat with me. I shop at the market. Nice. Very clear. Next one. What do you buy every week? Good answers. I buy vegetables. I buy groceries. I buy food. My answer, I buy vegetables every week. Section 9, food and restaurant questions. Now let's talk about food outside the home. Do you eat at home or outside? Simple answers. I eat at home. I eat outside. I eat at home mostly. My answer, I eat at home. Next question. What is your favorite food? Good answers. My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is pizza. Repeat one sentence. My favorite food is rice. Next. Do you like cooking? David answers, yes, I like cooking. No, I don't like cooking. My answer, yes, I like cooking simple food. Section 10, health and body questions. Now, health questions, very useful English. How do you feel today? Answers, I feel good. I feel tired. I feel okay. Repeat, I feel good. Next question, Tom, do you exercise? Simple answers, yes, I exercise. No, I don't exercise. My answer, yes, I exercise a little. One more. What do you do to stay healthy? Good answers. I walk every day. I eat healthy food. I drink water. My answer, I drink water and walk. Friends and social life. Now let's talk about friends. Do you have many friends? Answers, yes, I have many friends. No, I have a few friends. My answer, I have a few friends. Next question. What do you do with your friends? Easy answers. We talk, we eat together, we watch movies. Repeat, we watch movies together. Section 12, evening and night routine. Now, evening questions. What do you do in the evening? Answers, I relax, I watch TV, I talk to my family. My answer, I relax in the evening. Next one, what time do you sleep? Good answers, I sleep at 10, I sleep at 11. Repeat, I sleep at 10. Section 13, quick practice round. Now, quick practice. Listen and answer fast. Do you like shopping? What is your favorite food? Do you exercise? What do you do in the evening? Excellent. You're speaking more confidently now. Section 14, travel and directions question. Let's continue. Now we will talk about travel. These questions are very common. You hear them when you go out. First question, do you like traveling? Good job. Simple answers are okay. Yes, I like traveling. No, I don't like traveling. My answer, yes, I like traveling. Next question. How do you travel to work or school? Easy answers. I travel by bus. I travel by train. I walk. Repeat with me. I travel by bus. Next one. Have you visited another city? Good answers. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. My answer, yes, I have. Next question. How do you ask for directions? Simple sentence. Excuse me, where is the station? Repeat slowly. Excuse me, where is the station? Section 15, phone and online conversation questions. Now let's talk about phone and online English. Do you use your phone a lot? Yes, I use my phone a lot. No, I don't use it much. My answer, yes, I use my phone a lot. Next question. Who do you talk to on the phone? Easy answers. I talk to my family. I talk to my friends. Repeat, I talk to my family on the phone. Next, do you chat online in English? Good answers. Yes, sometimes. No, not yet. My answer, yes, sometimes. Section 16, opinion simple explanations. Now let's practice opinions. Do you like learning English? Answers, yes, I like it. Yes, I like learning English. My answer, yes, I like learning English. Next question, why do you learn English? Simple reasons. I learn English for work. I learn English for travel. I learn English for myself. Repeat one, I learn English for work. Next, is English easy or difficult for you? Answers, English is easy. English is difficult. English is a little difficult. My answer, English is a little difficult. Section 17, problems and help questions. Now, real life problems. Very useful English. What do you do when you don't understand English? Answers, I ask again. I listen again. I use a dictionary. My answer, I listen again. Next question, do you ask questions in English class? Good answers. Yes, I ask questions. No, I feel shy. My answer, yes, I ask simple questions. Section in quick speaking practice. Now, quick practice, short answers, no thinking too much. Do you like traveling? How do you travel to work or school? Do you use your phone a lot? Why do you learn English? What do you do when you don't understand English? Excellent work. You are speaking more clearly now. Past experiences. Simple. Tom, let's continue. Now we will talk about the past. Don't worry, we will use very simple past sentences. First question. What did you do yesterday? Good job for trying. Simple answers are perfect. I worked, I studied, I stayed at home. My answer, I worked yesterday. Next question. Did you watch TV yesterday? Easy answers, yes I did, no I didn't. My answer, yes I did. Next, what did you eat yesterday? Good answers. I ate rice, I ate vegetables, I ate bread. Repeat, I ate rice. Section 20, weekend and recent past. Now let's talk about the weekend. What did you do last weekend? Answers, I relaxed. I watched movies. I visited family. My answer, I relaxed last weekend. Next question. Did you go outside last weekend? The answers, I did. No, I didn't. My answer, no, I didn't. Section 21, future plans. Now, future plans. Very easy English. What are you going to do today? Good answers. I'm going to work. I'm going to study. I'm going to rest. Repeat slowly. I'm going to study today. Next question. What are you going to do tomorrow? Answers. I'm going to work. I'm going to meet friends. I'm going to stay home. My answer, I'm going to stay home tomorrow. Section 22, plans and dreams. Very simple. Now let's talk about plans and dreams. Do you want to travel in the future? Answers, yes, I do. No, I don't. My answer, yes, I do. Next question, where do you want to go? Simple answers, I want to go to another city. I want to go abroad. Repeat, I want to go abroad. Section 23, longer answer practice. Still simple. Now let's practice two sentences. How was your day today? How example answer. My day was good. I worked and relaxed. Repeat if you want, my day was good. Next. How do you practice English every day? Good answers. I listen to podcasts. I practice speaking. I watch English videos. My answer, I listen and practice speaking. Section 24. Now quick confidence practice. Answer without fear. What did you do yesterday? What are you going to do today? Did you watch TV yesterday? Where do you want to go in the future? Excellent. You are speaking more naturally now. Section 25. Short story answers. Very simple. Tom, let's continue. Now we will make small stories. David, only 2 or 3 sentences. Very easy. First question. Tell me about your morning today. Example answer. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I drank tea. Repeat one sentence if you want. I woke up early. Next question. Tell me about your breakfast today. Example answer. My breakfast was simple. I ate bread. I drank tea. Good job for trying. Section 26. Opinions with one reason. Now, opinions. One reason is enough. Do you like your daily routine? Why? Simple answer. Yes, I like it because it is easy. Or, no, I don't like it because it is busy. Next question. Do you like learning English? Why? Example answer. Yes, I like learning English because it is useful. Repeat, it is useful. Section 27, making mistakes is okay. Now, very important. Mistakes are okay. Are you afraid of making mistakes in English? Answers, yes, a little. No, I'm not afraid. My answer, yes, a little. Next question, what do you do when you make a mistake? Good answers, I try again. I listen again. I practice more. My answer, I try again. Section 28, daily problems and simple solutions. Now, daily problems, very real English. What do you do when you feel tired? Answers, I rest. I drink water. I sleep. Repeat, I rest. Next, what do you do when you don't understand someone? Good answers, I ask again. I say, please speak slowly. Repeat slowly. Please speak slowly. Section 29, describing yourself. Simple. Now let's talk about you. How would you describe yourself? Simple answers. I am calm. I am friendly. I am quiet. My answer, I am friendly. Next question. What are you good at? Answers: I am good at cooking. I am good at my job. I am good at learning. Repeat: I am good at learning. Section 30, quick story practice. Now quick story, 2 sentences only. Tell me about your evening yesterday. Example answer: I came home, I watched TV. Very nice and clear. Next, tell me about something you like. Example answer: I like music. It makes me happy. Section 31, confident speaking round. Now, final practice for today. Speak freely, no fear. Tell me about your morning. Do you like learning English? Why? What do you do when you make a mistake? Describe yourself in 1 sentence. Excellent work. You are speaking more confidently now. Questions? Tom, let's continue. Now we will mix everything. David, daily life, past, future, feelings. First question. What time do you wake up every day? Simple answers are good. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 7. My answer: I wake up at 6. Next. What do you usually do in the morning? Answers: I work, I study, I drink tea. Repeat: 1. I drink tea. Next question. How do you feel today? Answers: I feel good, I feel tired, I feel okay. Good job. Section 33, past, today. Now past and today together. What did you do yesterday? I worked, I stayed home, I watched TV. My answer: I worked yesterday. Next. What are you doing today? Answers: I am working today. I am studying today. Repeat: I am studying today. Section 34, future plans. Very easy. Now future. What are you going to do tomorrow? Answers: I'm going to work. I'm going to rest. I'm going to rest. Next question. What do you want to do next week? Simple answers. I want to study. I want to relax. Good speaking. Section 35, real conversation flow. Now listen, this is a real short conversation. Hi David, how are you today? I'm good. I feel relaxed. How about you? I feel a little tired. I worked a lot yesterday. Oh, I see. What are you doing today? I'm studying English and resting. Now you try. Answer out loud. How are you today? What did you do yesterday? What are you do 36? Natural yes, no practice. Now quick yes or no. Do you like learning English? Do you practice English every day? Are you feeling confident now? Great answers. Section 37, longer but easy answers. Now 2 sentences, slowly. How do you practice English every day? Example answer: I listen to podcasts. I practice speaking. Next, why do you want to improve your English? Example answer: I want to improve my English for work. Wrap up. You did an amazing job today. We practiced daily questions. Simple English, real English. Remember, you don't need long answers. Short answers are strong answers. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Before we go, here's a community question. What time do you wake up every day? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Keep practicing. Both. Bye-bye.